morning. Welcome to Options Tender. Hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. I sure did with my hockey family. Spent some great time over in Ohio playing a little bit of. Well, I didn't play hockey. Kids did. Anyway, down to business. We are going to go over some individual names. We had some requests. I'll get those done. Multiple time frames of the ES. And we're looking for some higher highs. But when's that going to happen? I'll show you. So hit the like button, subscribe, and notify so we can spread the word and spread the wealth. Appreciate y'all being here. Let's get into it. So I left the my watch list here on the screen because I want to show you, the NASDAQ is on a tear, but the small caps are holding down the S&P. So we don't expect a huge move today. Things are going to kind of grind. Just want to point that out right in the beginning. So here we go. The monthly. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're working on wave 5. That monthly candle is pushing to the upside, looking for another all-time highs pretty soon here. MACD is crossing upwards. Really, really bullish. On the weekly, also working on wave 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just that beep. That's our little candle. So far inside, if we could just pop up above and continue on this breakout from consolidation here. We had a push to the upside, a bull flag, and then we broke out of that last week. I do expect continuation this week. On the daily trend is our friend. Let's move in close. And we're working on a minute wave 1, 2, 3 to the upside. And, we'll go on this lower time frame, but we think we're just about done with that wave 3, and we'll be looking for a wave 4 correction. So let's check that out. We're looking just kind of sideways, squiggly, up and down on this, but that's because we're getting close to maybe another little correction, and hopefully we'll push up again to the upside. So on the 65-minute chart, remember guys, we use the 65-minute chart to keep the candles even throughout the trading day rather than just a 60-minute candle. Very good. Okay, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We finished off that wave count there, and so now we are on the wave 4 of the larger wave count. So that was 3, now 4. But do we know that this is the end of 4? We don't. It is not confirmed. Look at our MACD. Our MACD is crossing back to the downside. So we were thinking, okay, this was wave 1, 2, 3 to the upside. And I'm really starting to look at this right now, just as we're looking over this. It's a long week. I didn't really look at a lot of things here, but what I'm starting to think, if that was a really small 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave count, and we got to come back to wave 2. Okay, 1, 2. So when do we know if this is validated or invalidated? If we come underneath here to this 38.13. We did mention that on Friday's video, but if we come back down to test this maybe support here and continue up, then our count is valid. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay. If not, our bearish count would be our A, B, and if we break that low, that would be C. And we probably gain support somewhere in this area to start our new count. Okay. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for this 1, 2, wave 3. Doesn't have to come this low. We can put a retracement on here if you like. Putting a little bit too much time on this. So we're right at that 38.2 retracement. So price can go up from here if it wants to. So we'll see. All right, but while ES is grinding back and forth doing its thing here, we're actually going to focus on individual names when we're trading this week, unless we see an opportunity in SPY, ES, SPX. So let's go to our first run. Run is one of our first requests. It's looking really bullish. Let's go on the daily just so we can see where we're at. Now, I'm not going to do this wave count here, but I do know we have a another count here, and that would be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're in a minor wave 4 and looking to go to wave 5. We're at the 20 MA, bouncing off of that. This is looking really clean. I'm expecting some higher highs on here. We're probably going to make new all-time highs on this. So we've corrected, and here on the hourly, we have our options expected moves for the week. So I would suspect we'd hit that upper end pretty soon. But right now, we have if this is the wave 1, we have wave 1, and we may be correcting A, B, C to wave 2. So that may come down here, or a more bullish count would be 1, 2, and that's complete, and start another 1, 2, and move from to the upside. But either way, I think we're going to go higher from here. We'll see. I do believe that the wave 2 isn't over. 1, 2, and then move up. Okay. Space. Space looks super bullish. We are at resistance right now. I would suspect, let's go on again on the daily, just because of this request, I want to get a little bit deeper into there. We do have a wave count. Actually, you know what? I know I redid this. Yeah, we have a wave count. We have a huge wave count. So here's our larger count, 1, 2, and working on wave 3. So we have much, much higher to go. I'm not going to go into the minute waves until we get here. Let's go down low. We are at support. I do think that, or we're at resistance, excuse me. I do think that we need to come down. Like this is a, let's call this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that would be 5 is just about complete. I do think we're going to have to come back down in order to, that would be a larger wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 impulsing much higher to break the so I just think we need to consolidate a little bit before breaking up to the upside. Okay, quickly now on some of our names we are adding onto our list. All of Friday's names are still valid, so if you're familiar with this channel, go back to Friday and maybe the weekend update. Check those videos out because we have a lot of bullish names that we're looking at. But Snow, getting ready to break out of here. Wave 1, 2 over. And we're looking for wave minute wave 1. Netflix came down to the gap area looking for support. Look at the MACD getting ready to cross back over. We're probably going to get this name here at the open, looking for another wave 1 to start the wave 5. Okay. Laser looks awfully like PLTR, Palantir, right before it broke out. This one's up in the pre-market. I think this one's going much, much higher. So we'll be on the lookout. We'll get some counts on this one. This is just something that we did over the weekend, and we were posting this on Instagram. So, okay, that's it for the names. We have tons of other names. Baba, D-King, Neo, Fubo, Zoom, all looking super bullish. So check out the video Friday and the weekend update, and we'll go from there. So good luck trading, everybody. Thanks for joining us. Hit that like button, and we'll see you after the bell.